Well, we're fixing to get discharged and taking her home. What do you think?
Small.
Should we keep her?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Let's take her inside. Oldest and youngest. Oh, these ones try to hold her, huh?
So cute.
Give her a kiss. Apparently he's done.
I just did on Sunday morning. I would love to
You having fun? You like her? Matthew's almost bigger than you, buddy. Goodness. Yeah, Miss Mama. Miss Mama. You look like a big girl now. Let's go see something else. Oh yeah, this is not going well. Look at the baby. Oh, look at the baby. See that baby? You see the baby? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Be gentle. Yeah.
Get the baby. You go get the baby. Get your baby.
You used to be a baby white.
Get your baby.
Mm-hmm. Be gentle. What do you think? Should we keep her? Hi. Yeah. You having fun? You having fun? Uh-oh. 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 Let's turn it like that. There you go. There you go. Wow. Did you miss us? Did you miss us any little bit? Maybe a little bit? Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, now. Oh, you're gonna say it now? That's your finger.
Buddy, you need a lid on that. Yeah, you can't have it.
Mommy, watch her.
Oh wow, look at you.
Watch her. Head, shoulders, even toes. Even toes. Even toes. Head, shoulders.
I'm not saying give it to him.
Let me see here. Watch, she does it too.
You're funny. Well, we're so thankful to have the baby home. We took yesterday and kind of chilled, rested some. I did end up bringing the kids outside. We worked around the yard a little bit, cleaning up. They did a little bit of mowing and weed eating. Ended up taking the net down from around our garden, getting that put away because we're going to get ready and plow that up for a fall garden. It's hard to believe it's almost that time of year, but I'm thankful. I hate summer. I can't handle this heat. We're obviously very tired. The baby eats every 3 hours through the night, every 2 hours throughout the day. So we haven't been doing a whole lot, just kind of chilling. But I do want to do a few things today around the farm. Like I say, one being getting the garden plowed up, two getting the cows moved, and then just a little few odds and ends chores. So thought I'd bring y'all along. So as you can see, we got all this mowed down. And I really would have liked to have had all of this dirt already from the pigs and chickens, but it just didn't work out this year. We just had too much going to be able to keep up with it. So this old crabgrass, man, you can't get rid of this junk. I hate this stuff. I've tried tarping this to kill off the grass, and it works for a short time, but it don't take long and it's right back in here. So it's just gobbling up our nutrients. On the bright side, we got a pretty sweet rainstorm last night. Thunder, lightning for about an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. And we got 4 inches of rain. It's amazing. It's been a while since we've gotten a good heavy rain like that. Get a little 1/4 inch here and there, but that was a good rain. I'm thankful to have gotten that. Now, we've been working on training our chickens to the electric net. It's not on right now, but we have it around the perimeter, just kind of getting them used to seeing it. They were getting out of this pen, and since we put this up, they've stopped. So I'm hoping, because a lot of these chickens are well over a year old, that we can keep them in this netting when we put them out on pasture. Seems to be working where they're at. Oh yeah, busy. I like it. The ladies are busy. Oh, look at all them eggs. Hey, y'all keep up the good work. I'm gonna leave you alone. We'll come gather in a little bit. You ain't right on there. We're not right a bucket, okay? It's too dangerous with plowing. All right, Brianna, you can hop in first on the other side. Hold on, Kaylee. I'm gonna get in with Peter, and then you can hop in. Oh yeah. Yeah, no, we're not gonna hang on the tiller. All aboard. Got 3 little ones in here today. Alright, y'all ready to till the garden? Well, that's a start, but that's running over it 2 to 3 times. Down here where we ran the chickens and pigs, this is not bad at all. I mean, I could give this a few days and run over it one more time and it would just about be ready. A lot of this grass will die from being plucked up from that with that disc. But if you look down here, this old crabgrass, it just does not want to go. It's raking dirt over the top of it, but it's not actually breaking it up. Like that's all still, well, I guess it's broke up a little bit. But this is several times. Look at the difference from there to there. So I definitely think running the animals in here is a good idea after the garden's done in the summer. So I just got to get a better hot box, something a little bit stronger to keep the pigs in with the net as they get bigger. And I think that'll work. Howdy do, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all doing all right? What's up, Winchester? You looking good, buddy. Yeah, I see you. They're starting to fill out in the belly. You can see her and her. Definitely think they're pregnant again. They're starting to fill out nice. Come on, cows. Come on, cows. Oh, lazy bones. How you doing, Chili? Looking good, girl. Boy, she's still skittish. You looking good, though. I really need to try to get that halter back on Chili. I'll probably give it another 2 weeks or so, and then I'll try that again. Should be exciting. Mercy. That was just a piece of that cedar tree just come plopping down. Kids started digging this out today. That's going to be a big blessing getting that out of here. That's like a 3-foot diameter oak stump. I don't think it's going to be easy. That just came out there. Don't go under the tree, bud. That just came out. Come up there somewhere. It looks like we might end up getting a little bit more rain. That's building. You gonna get eggs? All right. There's quite a few, ain't there? Got some over here. Some under Little Miss. All right, let's see if I can do this. No, I know. No, I know. No. She's chewing me up, man. No, back up. Here you go, Mel. Go ahead and grab those. Ouch. She's a heathen. Goodness.
Yeah.
You can complain all you want. Those are our eggs, not yours. There's a few scattered out in there, ain't there? We need to clean this pen out again. There's one way back there in the corner. She needs help getting that one. Just don't look up and keep your mouth closed. I would say they don't bite, but that's not true. Look how big our geese are getting. They're still growing. You don't say. These wood chips sure have been working out nice in here. A lot more sanitary. Look how much grass we got out here in this back pasture now that we got rid of that donkey. And then a couple of cows. The cows I don't think were hurting as much as the donkey was. I mean, that's a good solid layer of grass now in just a couple of months. That donkey was eating a lot. The last thing I need to do is I got to go out here and move the cows to some new grass. They've been on this middle for a little bit too long now. They got it eat down pretty good, and I want to give it a break for parasite purposes. So I'm going to move them back over here. It's honestly been about 2 weeks. So, I mean, that's built back up pretty good. I want to move them over here to this third paddock, but right now I've got the fence taken down over there for the septic people, so that's not an option right now. Come on, cows. Here they come. Come on, cows. Come on, cows. That's the dorky steer. He's looking good, man. Yeah. This thing hollers non-stop. It's gonna make it easier to butcher him. Come on, let's go. Come on, cows. This is fresh grass, man. There you go. Yeah. That's gonna be some good Christmas ribeye right there. So first, man, the guys beat the girls out. There's Dolly. Here comes Daisy, leading up the rear. Come on, girl. You can see her round belly now, starting to round out. I'm telling you. Goofy. Is this the spot here? Oh, y'all gonna play football. Oh, that made them happy. Uh-oh, the young ones over there ain't happy with us. You don't get new grass, you got plenty. Yeah, y'all look miserable over here. Tell you what. You better just get control of that mischief, young lady. You're gonna stay right over here. No bull for you yet. No bull for you. Well, we're gonna wrap up outside, head back inside. Don't want to be out too long away from Katie in case she needs something. Did want to have a little bit of a video for y'all this week though, so greatly appreciate y'all watching. Have a great week. We'll see you next time.